Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. July is National Park and Recreation Month. To celebrate, this month's video will highlight an easy recipe to take on a picnic. This month's cookbook highlight is Eating Outdoors from Country Living. Our feature recipe is homemade deli coleslaw. For your ingredients, you will need mayonnaise, cider vinegar, sugar, salt, black pepper, green cabbage, and carrots. Step 1. In a large bowl, combine your mayonnaise, vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. Step 2. Add your cabbage and grated carrot and toss until evenly coated with mayonnaise mixture. Step 3. Cover and refrigerate at least 2 hours before you plan on serving. Finally, all that's left to do is uncover and enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.